Basically, what biomass is to me, it's a short-term solution to a big problem. And that's all it's ever going to be. It's not going to be a final solution. It's going to be a solution, a temporary help until we find something better. As soon as we find something better, it's gone. It'll be gone in a second. And I think we will eventually find something better, and I think it'll be gone in a second. Right now, we could use the help with whatever any biomass we could get energy out of. If we can't sort of figure out energy conservation, which as a country we haven't figured out, and Europe has, we're never going to make up the difference. Our energy use is going like this, and our energy supplies are going the other direction. So we're going to be in deep trouble if we can't sort that out. This is Calvin Ernst. Some of you might know Calvin, Ernst Conservation Seed, not that far from here in western Pennsylvania. Calvin's standing in a new variety of switchgrass that they've got there. I think you showed how tall it is, but I imagine he's in reality asking a question. And that is why not displace liquid fossil fuels with biomass combustion? In other words, you can burn biomass. That's what they do in Europe. They burn biomass. They don't generally. They burn biomass and they try to make biogas from it, but they do not make ethanol in general. Why can't we do this? We don't do it. There's no reason why we can't, but nobody will recognize that if we burn biomass, we can displace a whole bunch of liquid fossil fuel. The Northeast, over half of the Northeast energy use for liquid fossil fuels is for heating. Over half of what we use is heating. If we heated with something else, we'd save a whole pile of liquid fossil fuel. So I said, Europe, their goal is greenhouse gas reduction. That's their goal. They say, we don't care how you do that. You can do it any way you want to, but we're going to reward you for how good you do it. And so they have really high subsidies for things that give them really good results. Our goal is basically the U.S. renewable fuel standard that says by 2022, we're going to have 36 billion gallons of liquid renewable fuel. That's our goal. Not our tactical plan or anything, that's what we're going to do. We're going to produce 36 billion gallons of liquid fuel. And so that means, okay, you can burn, you can do other things. Well, that doesn't produce liquid renewable fuel, so it's no good. You can only produce liquid renewable fuel. That's all you can do. So this started in about 2006 when President Bush said we're going to make cellulosic ethanol our new standard, and it's going to be up and running in 6 years. How long we got left? 299 days. Is it going to be up and running in 299 days? No. First time I heard this statement that said we're going to have cellulosic ethanol in 5 or 6 years was in 1984. I've heard it every year since then. We're not going to have it in 299 days. We're not going to have it in 6 years. I don't know if we'll have it in 16 years. But we're putting billions of dollars into it at this point, because we're going to get it one way or another.